me through another day. I pray he'll get me through another